So these go back over. Ooh. I'm going to have to move those further down. Yeah. Way down. Let me turn the camera so you can watch me struggle doing this. That's fun for everybody, right? Okay, so I'm going to put those there. That's out of the way. And I'll leave the camera where you guys are, because I got another one to go. Oops. Well, I nicked the ceiling. Spray foam. Whew. There we go. I'm dying for a Coke right now, actually. Friggin' hot. So, the next part is taking these screws over here, and I believe these are Robertsons. So I will have the right bit for that. Oh, I should find the bit that fell in behind there. I'll do that now. Shouldn't be too far to track down. There it is right there. Jackpot. Alright. So, put the Robertson bit in. And let's see if I can get this baby off the wall. Now I should move this shit out of the way, which I think I will. Here, I gotta move all this stuff out of here, guys. So, that'll be fun. All the way down at the other end of the tiny house. Would be nice to have music in here, but YouTube hates people like that, so bastards. Yeah, it kind of got me off guard, guys. Caught me off guard that I was going to be able to find a piece of land to finally move this tiny house to and live there. So that's why I'm kind of unprepared for this and doing it now. So that's the way it goes. I gotta push the outer door back out. Or it acts like a giant sail again and slam shut. Looks like I got some sweeping to do too. I gotta say, it's exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time, because it's a new place, new people, and be pretty wild, guys. I think it's gonna be crazy, but you'll be all with me to see it. So that'll be a good thing. Sorry I'm not filming that, but alright, let's do some action. screws in here. And again, I guess you didn't really need to. There's one there. Huh. That's weird. Only one screw in there. In the bottom. The rest are all in the sides here. I think so, yeah. That one's in there too. I gotta tilt the camera up for you guys. Holy shit. Might be time for gloves, I'm assuming. Yeah, I think so. Those screws were pretty warm. Ooh. Yeah, it's a construction zone in here today. God. Wish it was cooler, but what can you do? Alrighty, so that one's out. Here's one here. Really? Has to be a stubborn bitch, does it? Come back to that bastard. Oh, that one's not coming out. That's not good. That's Sawzall. Bastard. Maybe as it pulls out it'll make it easier. Oh, it's spinning. That's why. Well, once I get it off the wall, I can remove it. That's not a big deal. Ugh. Holy shit. There we go. Okay, so turn you guys over to this wall because it's only attached basically there and there. Let's see how this goes. Voila. Tiny house under control. One way down on the floor. That's it. Okay. So one there. What is that? Oh, it's a knot. That is the only screw in the bottom. Weird. I don't remember doing that, but then again. So, this is going to be fun. Because I got to slide it past the plywood. Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's that fucking screw right here. It's catching. Let me get some pliers. Here, I'll show you that bastard in there. Here's the hole, here's the screw, and it's spinning. So what I need to do is put some pressure on the back side of it with probably, I'll just grab it with some pliers or something, I don't know. Or maybe I can jam a hinge back inside there. Maybe that'll do it. Hard to say. There's always one bastard in there. Oops, I guess I gotta hold that, don't I? You rotten bitch. Alright. Sorry about the swearing for underage viewers. But sometimes it helps get the job done. Oops, that didn't help. Come on. Wow. Here, let me pull this chair over here. A third person would be helpful today, or a second person, I mean. Come on. Oh man, what a complete bastard. It's tearing up my spray foam too. Oh, there. That'll work. I just broke it off. You know? Yeah, I did break it off. Well, good riddance. Little bastard. Alright, guys. Let's see what I can do here. You tricky shit. Okay. I can take this one off. And that would give me just enough room. It's a short piece to pull this out of here. So I'm losing the gloves because it's already hot. And I will have to put that bit back in here and take these bastards out. Oh wow. You're joking me. Damn screws. Let me go grab some pliers. That is a little pain in the ass, you know? There we go. Bastard. One up there and a few down here. I'll have to do that by hand. Okay, that's 3. by hand, and then I need the ladder for the other one. Bastard. That one's in there good. Wake up, please. Yeah, let's try the drill again. That's not helping. So this side of the trailer we got bad friggin' screws or what? Oh, wonderful. Come on, you rotten bitch. I think I stripped it with the drill. Well, there's always pulling it off. Hacksaw style. Get the ladder over here. Ow. There we go. Whew. Holy crap. See. That damn screw down there. It's a bastard. Don't want to wreck the plywood either though. Ugh. Right, bitch. Ugh. That's not gonna work. That might. So it might put a little hole in the dry plywood, but that screw's screwed. Come on, you bitch. There we go. Bastard. Isn't that a bitch? Alright, we got it off. And, oh, wonderful. Now the screw is definitely in the way. Let me get the pliers. Little rotten bastard, yeah. This thing should be out by now. What the hell? Is it even holding the thing?